In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a join with a code shortcut in Google Meet. Google Meet is a convenient platform for virtual meetings, and knowing how to swiftly join a meeting using a code can save you a significant amount of time and hassle. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to your Gmail account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, you'll want to look through your inbox for an email containing the meeting invite. This is generally sent out by your meeting organizer, and it contains all the necessary details for joining the meeting. Once you find the email, click on it to open. Inside the invitation email, take a moment to locate the meeting link. This link is crucial because it contains the code needed for the Google Meet shortcut. When you've found it, copy the entire link to your clipboard. If you're unsure how to do this, you can simply highlight the link and use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. This makes sure the link is ready for the next step. Now let's head over to Google Meet. You'll find the Google Meet option as part of the Google Apps, a grid of 9 small squares in the upper right corner of your screen within Gmail. Click on Google Meet to open it. Once you're in Google Meet, you should see a couple of options for joining meetings. What you're looking for is the option that says Join with a code. Click on it. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a code. This is where the link you copied comes into play. Instead of typing out the entire meeting link, just paste it directly into the space provided for the code. To do this, simply click in the code input field and use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. After pasting the link, click the Join button. This action will take you directly into the meeting. In some meetings, particularly those with heightened privacy settings, you may have to click on Ask to Join upon entering. This sends a request to the meeting host, who will then admit you into the meeting room. Remember, having the meeting link handy and knowing these steps will dramatically speed up the process, particularly if you frequently join meetings throughout your day. It's a useful skill that ensures you're always on time and that you can focus on the discussion at hand without technical hiccups. Thank you for joining, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your virtual meeting experiences.